The Turkish company Baykar is actively expanding the testing programs of the fifth prototype of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA combat drone, the company reported on its X, formerly Twitter, account. KIZILELMA is the world's first combat unmanned aerial vehicle equipped with sensors used on fifth-generation fighter jets. Previously, KIZILELMA conducted flights with the MURAD AESA radar and the TOYGUN electro-optical targeting system, and it has now been deployed with the GÖKDOAN air-to-air missile beyond visual range. It is expected that in the near future, the KIZILELMA will also integrate the KARAT infrared tracking system. The first launch of the GÖKDODAN missile from the KIZILELMA test site is expected to take place by the end of this year.